Today, everybody, we're gonna learn how to spin on our knee. Place the beanie on the floor here and put one of your knees on that beanie. You're gonna put both arms on the floor nice and strong and stretch this leg, right? Once you place your hands on the floor, you're gonna have to keep your hands like this. You know this. You move your hands and then move your body. Move your hands, move your body. Move your hands, move your body. Move your hands, move your body. We've done this 4 times. Shall we try to do 8 times? Move your hands, move your body. Keep your body strong. Let's go. Hands and body, 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 hands and body. When you finish, you take your hands off and put this foot in front of you. Ooh la la, that is fresh. The more you do hands and body, the faster and the stronger you're gonna become. You're gonna do 8 taps and then you're gonna take your hands away and keep your body strong. I make you